Welcome to the Scaringi Law Lunch Break. This is your time of the day to learn a little bit about the law while you enjoy your lunch. Stormy Daniels is making news once again. Excerpts of her memoir, Full Disclosure, have been released. The book will be available to the public on October 2nd. She'll then begin a nationwide book tour. Stormy's new book has caused me to take a look at the various lawsuits she's brought against President Trump. Daniels has brought a defamation claim against President Trump and a civil claim against Trump, Michael Cohen, his former attorney, and the entertainment company they set up to handle the hush money they paid to purchase Stormy's silence about this alleged tryst that occurred many years ago. Today we'll talk about the defamation case. Just a few weeks ago, a New York court has ruled the defamation suit shall be transferred from New York to California, where, Michael Avenatti, Stormy's lawyer, filed the suit in New York. The Trump team filed a motion to transfer to California. Avenatti initially opposed the motion, but then conceded when it appeared he was going to lose. So off the lawsuit now goes to California. That's a minor victory for the Trump defense team. In the defamation case, Stormy claims Trump defamed her. Now recall, Stormy claims an unidentified man approached her in a parking lot back in 2011 and said, "Leave Trump alone, forget the story." At that time, Stormy had been trying to sell her story about this alleged tryst to various media companies, including the tabloid In Touch, which apparently would not touch her story. In any event, when Trump got elected, Stormy was all over the news. She had a composite sketch done of the unidentified man from 2011. And it was released to the media. When Trump saw the sketch, he tweeted a sketch years later about a non-existent man, a total con job, playing the fake news media for fools, but they know it. In response, Stormy sued Trump for defamation. In her lawsuit, her attorney, Michael Avenatti, wrote, "By calling the incident a con job, Mr. Trump's statement would be understood to state that Miss Clifford," that's Stormy, "was fabricating the crime and the existence of the assailant, both of which are prohibited under New York law, as well as the law of numerous other states. It was apparent that Mr. Trump meant to convey that Miss Clifford is a liar, someone who should not be trusted, that her claims about the threatening encounter are false, and that she was falsely accusing the individual depicted in the sketch of committing a crime where no crime had been committed." Mr. Trump made his statement either knowing it was false, had serious doubts about the truth of his statement, or made the statement with reckless disregard for its truth or falsity. Now, we're likely to see a motion to dismiss soon to be filed by the Trump defense team. He'll likely claim he was just expressing his opinion about the composite sketch. Opinions are not actionable under defamation law. And that brings us to the tip of the day. If you're posting on social media, it's best to stay away from commenting about other people altogether. But if you feel you must, and make sure you always use the words "in my opinion" when commenting on social media or anywhere, really, about other people. Never post anything you know to be untrue, or never post anything you could find out whether it's true or false after a reasonable investigation. The law of defamation is tricky and can get you caught up into something, so it's best not to post at all about other individuals. Now, we'll see how this defamation lawsuit pans out in California. We'll bring you the developments as they occur. In the meantime, if you have any questions about defamation, give us a call at 717-657-7770. We've successfully represented individuals who have been victimized, defamed via social media. They're tough cases, but they can be won with the right set of facts and the right attorneys to do the job.